Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madness. Moving on to our video. Yes, as you know that Omar Anderson, man, is a very prominent figure in the underworld. Man, he was convicted. Omar Anderson was a convicted robber. He's a convicted robber. And man, and Omar Anderson, the latest information we had about him is that he's on TikTok advertising himself as a stallion. And guess what? And guess what? Who? Yeah, me know say, some people say, wait. Right, I'm going to the real trade that them thing there. Or him fully real admiral now, and with him round all them thing there. So we are gonna tell you what going on with Omar. But I tell you, Omar a star, man. So yeah, you see him right there, them thing there, Mr. Omar Anderson. Yeah, that is our bridging we come from come from Whitfield town, but same that St. James town, same a Tyler. But boy, I tell you. So him take on a new persona. Him say, him have him cutlass with bevel, plus him have all him gun them, cause him say him not play on them thing there, boy. Test him. Him have him copper them and all them thing there. We don't know what kind of copper him a talk about, if I gunshot or we don't know if him have copper cutlass. We don't know about that. So yeah. So this is the latest update on Omar Anderson. So say on TikTok, so Omar Anderson also known as Stallion on TikTok. I tell you, Omar the easy, Omar say what Stallion on TikTok. So he continues to capture attention with his audacious and somewhat eccentric social media presence. His quest for a wealthy video. Yeah man, wealthy video. Yeah man, him say he want a wealthy video to fulfill almost all our fantasy as taking a wild, yeah man, him say he want to fulfill all our fantasies as taking a wild turn. So Omar Anderson, a controversial figure with a troubled past. Omar Anderson, infamously known as Stallion on TikTok, has a dark and tumultuous history that extends far beyond his social media persona. Recently, credible sources have confirmed that Anderson was sexually assaulted multiple times during his incarceration. Yeah, the Don from Whitfield town, Devon Stitchell, is in prison for murder. Yeah, convicted for murder from Whitfield town, Kingston 13. And has revealed that Anderson harbors deep-seated anger about this traumatic experience and blamed the detective who arrested him for his suffering in prison. Okay, so while in the prison and thing, because if you remember, whilst he was in prison, Omar Anderson was all men clothes and You understand that? But I mean, know how a man do it. I'm going to prison. Look how a man big man. I'm for the day and I wash all a man clothes. And him and I get paid. Hey. And at them the place there, man, a fight figure. Like a man say, boy, a ninja man turn chef and waiter. So a career criminal's downfall. So Omar Anderson's criminal record is extensive. He was a central figure in a scheme of robbing unsuspecting customers looking to purchase used cars advertised in the Jamaica Sunday Gleaner. As the mastermind, Anderson would lure potential buyers to the Huntsville police area where he and his accomplices would then rob them. So this operation preyed on innocent Jamaicans seeking affordable vehicles, turning their hopes into nightmare. So recently Anderson gained notoriety on TikTok by marketing himself as a stallion, seeking a wealthy widow to fulfill his fantasies, fulfill her fantasies. Except, so these are things where I'm saying, him say, boy, him not the oral sex thing, him not about, because I'm an old time man, and anything a particular, him say him not a round old business, him not go around there. So this led to an unusual interaction with a woman who demanded Anderson undergo several medical tests. So the woman I shared that with the Jamaica Young Police Channel say, so after him advertise himself, say boy I'm a stallion and or him wicked in a bed and all them thing there. So the woman say boy, so she demand Anderson. She demanded that Anderson undergo several medical tests, including a check to ensure that he had no run. Hey, but that woman, easy Rasta. She tell the man, he must do several medical tests, including to check. She wanted to check to ensure that he had no run hole. Ooh, my belly hurt me, Rasta. And where them people I come from? To ensure that he had no run hole issues stemming from rumors about his prison experiences. And hey, you see, that's why my mom must go to prison. I'll call it the big Rasta. Make a market world take advantage of him. So Anderson feisty and fiery response to this request. You want to tell the woman we got lava juice in Fragada. So it filled with expletives and anger quickly went viral, showcasing his refusal to comply with what he demand as an outrageous demand. But look here, virgin, if you know say you're not on a road wall, you just do that because the woman wealthy, that you put out your thing out there, So credibility and rehabilitation. So while Anderson claims and behavior might elicit mixed reactions, it's crucial to approach such matters cautiously. His history as a convicted criminal mainly involved firearms and robbery complicates the narratives. However, understanding the psychological trauma he experienced in prison is also essential. Victims of sexual assault often struggle with PTSD, depression, anxiety, and other severe emotional and physical issues. So, adding to the controversy, Anderson has been threatening the life of Detective Peter Pike, whom he blamed for his imprisonment. Such severe threats undermine law enforcement officers' legal process and safety. So while Anderson's anger might stem from his traumatic prison experiences, his action poses a significant risk and need to be addressed by the police high command. So Omar Anderson's story is a stark reminder of the complexities surrounding criminal behavior, trauma, and the potential for rehabilitation. While his actions and threats are condemnable, his experiences highlight the need for a nuanced understanding of the factor driving his behavior. It is a delicate balance between ensuring justice, protecting the innocent, and recognizing the profound impact of trauma on individuals. So as we follow Omar Anderson's ongoing saga, it is essential to maintain respect for the law and its representatives while acknowledging the intricate human experiences that shape individuals. Whether or not Anderson can find redemption remains to be seen. Still, his story underscores the importance of empathy, justice, and scrutiny in addressing the lives of those entangled in the criminal justice system. So recently, a curious twist emerged in Anderson's ongoing saga. A woman intrigued by his bold persona contacted him on TikTok. She expressed her interest but had rather unusual stipulation. She insisted that before they could be friends, Omar needed to accompany her to the doctor for a series of tests. Her primary concern, ensuring his circle was fully closed and he had no round-hole issues. This odd request stemmed from rumors that she had heard about Omar's past experience at GP, General Penitentiary, and her love for beach outings. Through his fiery and feisty nature, Anderson did not take kindly to this peculiar demand. He unleashed a barrage of expletives, calling her all sorts of names and making it crystal clear that he had no intention of subjecting himself to any such examination. Listen, lady, he retorted, I ain't got no roll. Holy shit. I am solid as a rock and it ain't nothing wrong. Ain't nothing going on here. His colorful rejection of her request was intense and comical, leaving his followers in splits. So the incident quickly went viral, with Stallion followers and critics sharing their thoughts. Many found the woman's request bizarrely humorous, while others couldn't help but laugh at Omar's over-the-top reaction. Memes and jokes flooded social media, making Stallion's rejection a meme-worthy moment. So despite the controversy, Omar Anderson remained undeterred in his quest. His latest videos continue to showcase his larger-than-life personality, and he remains a polarizing figure on TikTok. Whether you love him or hate him, one thing is for sure, Stallion knows how to keep people talking. So stay tuned for more updates on Omar Anderson's antics and adventures. With Stallion, there is never a dull moment. So the convicted robber Omar Anderson is making waves on TikTok under the Stallion. And guess what? He's on a prowl for a wealthy widow, promising to fulfill all her fantasies. Well, almost all, as he is drawing a line at oral sex and anything involving a particular round hole. In an unexpected twist, a woman reached out to Stallion on TikTok expressing her interest, but with a unique caveat. She insisted that before they could become friends, Omar needed to accompany her to the doctor for a series of tests. Her concern, she wanted to ensure that his circle was completely closed, and he did not have any round all issue because she had heard the rumors about his past experience. You understand? So that a theme thing. So Omar Anderson, so now you know that, yeah. So those of you who have been asking about the man, yeah man, see him there? Omar Anderson, the convicted robber, is on TikTok, so advertising himself. Him say he want a rich woman. And yeah, as the woman tell him, man say him nah not round all issue, so that a thing that a just propaganda against him and him in them thing there. So yeah, as we say, you just go and continue for tuning. And we wish, hey, look here, we're not against Omar Anderson, although I'm a convicted robber. You understand? We do believe in a redemption. Yeah, and you know, him do him time, commit him crime, do him time, and to society. And him out now, him want to change him life. The man say, I'm a stallion now, and in a robbery business, because him don't want to go back to prison, because when you go to prison, you know, as a, no matter how bad you are, you know, or how bad you is out of street, you, when you go to prison, you have to prove yourself again, because man inside the bad man physically, you understand? Unless, even if you have knife or you have JAMAICAN and stuff, man, some man, hey, they not busy about that, you know. They must take advantage of the other prisoner, them, and you know. So the best thing is to do is just keep out of trouble and just keep it clean. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.